Hello, welcome to E Prime. I am Daedren, calling all Protoje fans. The Grammy-nominated reggae artist just released the venues for the California leg of his Lost in Time tour. He'll be accompanied by two Jamaican artists, Lila Ike and Jesse Royal. Protoje has been promoting his sixth studio album, Third Time's the Charm. He recently sat down with the Hot 97's Ebro to discuss the meaning behind the album's title.
Sixth album, 3 albums in 5 years. I like that, you know. So.
Well, that's the Third Time's a Charm, right?
Right, yeah.
Because it's 3. It's part of like a trilogy.
It's a trilogy because there was A Matter of Time,
yeah,
In Search of Lost Time, and then Third Time's the Charm.
What is it about time that you're trying to convey to people?
I'm trying to remind myself that that's the most important currency we have, and that's the one thing we can't get back.
Now, on the international scene, international entertainers have been reacting to the death of rapper Coolio. The artist, whose given name is Leon Ivy Jr., was found unresponsive last evening after Los Angeles paramedics and firefighters responded to a medical emergency report. Coolio was known for his hits, including Fantastic Voyage and Gangsta's Paradise, which he won a Grammy for in 1996. He was 59 years old. That's it for E Prime this evening. I am Daedren. Thank you for watching.